So since we started doing the Facebook live feed, I've had an intermittent buzz in the live stream, the video, and it's obviously electronic. I thought maybe it was electrical interference. I thought it was a ground. I thought it was my phone. I've tried different devices. I made a cable and had no ground pin, the old-fashioned way of checking if you have a ground issue. And so I've eliminated everything except the iRig itself. And I'm thinking that it may be the iRig itself. So when I plug it in, and I will plug it in just a moment, you can see that when it's plugged in, it'll make the noise even though there's no mic there. I don't have a microphone plugged up to it. So here is the plug, the 3.5 millimeter plug for the iRig. iRig is on. I'm going to plug it up and just leave it here for a minute and see if you detect any of the buzzing sound that you get when it's plugged in. And maybe that's done it. I have no way to know until I go back and listen to it.